Hi, how are you? Thank you for watching my channel. See, we have Wizards over here and cooking turkey. This is Wizards from Belarus dish. Kaldune Wizards. And Wizards are cooking this big turkey. Look at this, and we have the thermometer. We have the thermometer. Oh yeah, thermometer we're gonna stick in the turkey. Let's see, in the thickest part of the meat. Okay. It's supposed to be 165, 2 inches. Okay. 160. Yeah, this is good. It's supposed to be 165 and it's 170. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. It's ready. The turkey is ready. We can pull it out. Always make sure to pull out the turkey on time. Okay, we're gonna pull it out. And it is time. See, 175. Wow.
Be careful. Very, very careful. Where you put it out.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, so you're done with that. What I need now, I need to put the temperature in like 250.
Oh yeah. That in there. And now we're gonna put the Wizards. This is Wizards. Meaty, juicy, delicious Wizards. Going in the oven. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Take care. Take care. See turkey looking at you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.